In the world of tax, there's never a dull moment. Welcome to the Donation Dilemma. Connected Together, the nonprofit organization renowned for bringing people together through common aspirations, may seem put together, but behind closed doors, there's something disconnected. Every month, cash donations flood in through its doors, both in envelopes with the donors' names and just cash in a box.
Knock knock, is that our amazing reporter at work? We have more cash donations. I just counted up the money and got $5,000 cash donations, $2,000 in envelopes with the donors' names, and $3,000 just there, not in envelopes and unclaimed. Please feel free to recount the amount though to check me.
I'll get this counted up and then I'll take the reported amount directly to George, our tax accountant.
Confirmation letters were sent.
Carrie counted correctly, $5,000 cash donations, $2,000 of which came in envelopes and will receive letter confirmations, and $3,000 are unclaimed.
Meanwhile, little do we know, but Willow is going through an ethical dilemma.
I don't want to harm anyone. I need more money, especially now that my 2 children are in the hospital. I don't have the time to take on another job. I've got an idea. I'll just take the $3,000 cash donations because the $3,000 cash didn't come in an envelope with a name. This is unclaimed and a confirmation letter will not be sent out. No one will know. I'll just report the $2,000 cash donations that came in envelopes to George, our tax accountant. Being in this position of being the second person to count the correct amount of cash donations and then going directly straight to our tax accountant and working for years, not only have I built up a good and trustworthy reputation, but I also know how reports of cash donations work. This will work. Cash is hard to trace without a name, so no one will know.
Willow reports the $2,000 claimed cash donations to George.
Great, thanks. Can't believe I've been doing this for 5 years.
Willow's financial hardships result in her stealing the unclaimed and unconfirmed money from the nonprofit organization. Willow decides to say she's donating $3,000 cash to charity, so, subject to limitations, she can deduct these cash donations as charitable contributions. This is a way to reduce the amount she will owe in taxes. What internal controls should there have been ensured? To name a few, continuous education for ethics and ethical policy, and separation of duties. What are some of the consequences to this crime? To name a few, IRS investigation, criminal charges, and hefty fines. According to Vital Law, as seen in the screenshot taken from the website, Section 61 states, gross income means all income realized in any form, from whatever source derived, unless excluded by law. Thus, the $3,000 unclaimed cash would be included as income. Also, according to Vital Law, Section 170A8 states, in general, an individual's charitable contribution deduction is subject to 20, 30, and 50% limitations unless qualified for unlimited charitable contributions deduction under Section 170B1C.
This is weird. Donations have never been this low before. I should investigate and ask questions.